You just found the 2026 Lincoln Nautilus. Take a closer look at this comfortable, spacious Nautilus, the midsize two-row crossover that delivers sedan luxury and SUV versatility. With the latest tech to keep you safe and entertained, a wealth of creature comforts, and ample cargo capacity, you'll look forward to every drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, power liftgate, backup camera, heated mirrors, heated front seat, power passenger seat. Feel relaxed and restored on every journey in this smooth, quiet Nautilus. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.